Welcome to Novela, where you will acquire AI marketing skills through story-driven simulations. Our unique approach to active learning uses authentic marketing data to give you hands-on experience. This media planning simulation is designed to mirror real-world marketing challenges where strategy, budget, and performance are tightly connected. Start by reviewing the simulation brief. This gives you the brand context, the business challenge, and the goal you are trying to achieve. All planning starts with the audience. Before choosing channels or budgets, you first need to define who you are trying to reach. Review the age groups, genders, locations, and interests before creating your target segment. Create an AI persona by defining key characteristics, then save and select the audience for your media plan. Once your audience is set, move into the awareness stage. Here you can choose between paid and organic channels and configure how each channel will run. You'll follow the same flow across the rest of the funnel, selecting channels, configuring them, and allocating budget at each stage. You'll immediately see the impact of your decisions through key performance metrics. This is where learning really happens. Use the AI feedback to refine your strategy. You can iterate, improve your plan, and run the simulation again. And that's it. Learn by doing, think strategically, and use data to drive better decisions.